just got a new knife from eBay that I ordered on eBay that came in the mail just now. I've been waiting for this knife to come. So this is a Flylock automatic knife. You can see it's got the Flylock button on here. On the back it says Pittsburg Coal Company. It's got a letter opener. There we go. On the blade it says Flylock. On the back it says Flylock Knife Co. Turn it around. It says just Flylock on there. It just says Flylock. Green handle scales. A letter opener. And yeah, this is pretty interesting. And one thing about the letter openers with these, the early letter openers were made out of such thin metal, these letter openers, that a lot of them didn't last because they would break after a while. And the way you would use letter openers is basically you would pull it out like this. You would pull it out, open the blade, and then you would open your envelope. And this blade I actually sharpened. So if we zoom in, you can see right where I sharpened it. Get a good look at that tang stamp and the button on there. See those little grooves in there. But yeah, you would take it, pull it out, open the letter, and then close the blade, spin it around, and then you would use this to kind of like pry open the envelope, to pry it open. And a lot of these got used a lot, and eventually a lot of them just broke. So yeah, but yeah, this one is actually in pretty good shape. Nice green handles, everything is nice. So yeah, I hope you enjoyed this little history lesson. See you guys later. And yeah, see you guys later.